Hello everyone, and welcome back to our interior design series. Today, we're diving into the world of decorating living rooms with vaulted ceilings. These open and spacious areas offer so much potential for creativity. So, grab your notepads, and let's get started. Here's our canvas, a stunning living room with vaulted ceilings. To create a cohesive and inviting atmosphere, we'll be using a variety of components. Let's start by emphasizing those beautiful ceilings. Vaulted ceiling beams and trusses can add character, and skylights flood the room with natural light, making it feel more open and airy. Next, let's create some focal points. Hanging chandeliers add elegance, cathedral windows draw the eye upward, and a fireplace becomes a cozy centerpiece. Now, let's balance aesthetics with functionality. Ceiling fans keep the air circulating, while built-in bookshelves offer storage and a chance to showcase your personality. For ambient lighting, consider wall sconces, cove lighting, and even lighting around the fireplace. This creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. To add texture, go for exposed brick or stone walls, wooden paneling, and accent walls. These elements bring depth and character to the room. To make the most of the vertical space, consider adding a loft area, vertical gardens, or even an atrium. These additions create visual interest and a unique touch. Personalize the room with an art niche for your favorite sculptures, a balcony or mezzanine for a cozy nook, and stained glass for a touch of color and style. And there you have it. By combining vaulted ceiling beams, trusses, skylights, chandeliers, ceiling fans, cathedral windows, a fireplace, built-in bookshelves, wall sconces, cove lighting, exposed brick or stone, an atrium, art niches, a balcony or mezzanine, stained glass, a loft space, accent walls, wooden paneling, vertical gardens, and even exposed ductwork, you've created a living room that's both visually stunning and functional. Remember, decorating is all about making the space uniquely yours. So, go ahead and mix and match these components to suit your style. Thanks for joining us today, and happy decorating!